Hello everyone. I am Johnson. Today, let's learn how to create various toggles. Toggles are switches that change the state of a single option. They can be switched on or off by pressing or swiping them. Let's create the prototype. First, drag in a label. Enter default toggle. Then, drag a rectangle to create the background for the toggle. Set its corner radius. Next, drag in an ellipse. Set its shadow. Name it thumb, and name the background BG. Then, add a selected style effect to it. Set its fill color to blue. Adjust the background color. Add a click interaction to the handle. Add a condition. If the BG selected state is false, move the thumb to the right of the background minus its width and subtract 2. Set the BG state to true. Add an else if condition. Move the thumb to the X value of the BG minus 2. Set the BG state to false. Create all elements as a dynamic panels. Adjust their sizes. Add a click interaction. Choose Fire Event. Target the handle. Select click or tap for events. Preview the prototype. Clicking the dynamic panel toggles the selected state of the toggle. Duplicate the item. Change the label to check toggle. Set the background to selected. Then, move the handle to the right. Duplicate the item. Change the label to disabled toggle. Set its disabled style effect. Similarly, set the disabled style effect for the BG. Then, set the item to disabled. Duplicate the item and change the disabled style effect to a light blue color. Preview the prototype. Clicking the item toggles the toggle state. Duplicate the page. Change the page name to on-off label. Delete the bottom 3 items. Then, drag in a label. Adjust its style. Change the text to on. Duplicate the label. Change the text to off. Set its text color to white. Preview the prototype. Clicking the item toggles the toggle state. Duplicate the page. Change the name to toggle in a list. Delete the bottom 3 items. Modify the labels for the 3 items. Then, give the dynamic panel a bottom border. Adjust its height. Preview the prototype. Clicking the item toggles the toggle state. Duplicate the page. Change the name to label placement. Enter the dynamic panel. Modify the label text. Then, delete the bottom 3 projects. Duplicate the item. Modify the label text. Adjust the positions of the label and toggle. Duplicate the toggle. Modify the label text. Adjust its position. Preview the prototype. Clicking the project toggles the toggle state. Duplicate the page. Change the page name to alignment. Delete the bottom 3 items. Adjust the element's positions to left align. Then, modify the label text. Duplicate the item. Adjust the element's positions to center align horizontally. Preview the prototype. Clicking the item toggles their states. Duplicate the page. Change the name to justification. Delete the bottom 2 items. Modify the label names. Duplicate the item. Adjust the alignment of the elements. Duplicate the item. Adjust the alignment of the elements. Modify the label text. Preview the prototype. Clicking the item toggles the toggle state. Duplicate the item. Change the name to theming. Delete the label. Copy the interaction. Choose Breakaway Current State. Then, paste the interaction into the group. Duplicate the toggle. Set the fill color of the background selected style effect to sky blue. Set up more selected style effects in this way. Preview the prototype. Clicking the item toggles their states. Duplicate the item. Adjust the alignment of the elements. Modify the label text. Preview the prototype. Clicking the item toggles their states. Duplicate the item. Change the name to theming. Delete the label. Copy the interaction. Choose Breakaway Current State. Then, paste the interaction into the group. Preview the prototype. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.